Selenium IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is prototyping tool. Just I will provide introduction. In real time, Selenium IDE limited use or no use. See, nowadays most of the companies using Selenium WebDriver only. Selenium WebDriver only for creating and executing test cases. Selenium RC outdated. Successor of Selenium RC is Selenium WebDriver. Next, Selenium IDE is prototyping tool. It is not suitable for complex test case design. So it is also slowly getting outdated. Okay, tool is there. I will introduce the tool features. But nowadays, I think no company is using Selenium IDE for complete test case design. No company is using Selenium IDE only for test case design. See, most of the companies using Selenium WebDriver only. Okay, just I will introduce Selenium IDE. First topic in this chapter, Introduction to Selenium IDE. Introduction to Selenium IDE. Can you tell me, Sunil, what is Selenium IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is one of the test tool in Selenium suite of tools. We have 4 tools in Selenium suite. Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver and Selenium Grid. What is Selenium IDE?
Yeah, it will be useful for creating and executing test cases.
Yes, good. It is for creating and executing test cases. Okay. Any other? Okay. See, actually it is older than Selenium RC and Selenium WebDriver, but nowadays slowly getting outdated, almost all outdated. Okay. See, it is a test tool in Selenium tools suite to develop and execute test cases. See, it is a test tool in Selenium tools suite to create and execute test cases. To create and execute test cases. Next, it is a Firefox plugin, or you can say Firefox add-on. Works only on Firefox browser. See, it is not an independent tool like UFT, RFT, etc. It is Firefox plugin. After launching Firefox browser only, you can use this Selenium IDE. It is not an independent tool. See, it is a Firefox browser plugin. It is a Firefox browser plugin. Works only on Firefox browser. Works only on Firefox browser. Sridevi, did you find the limitation of Firefox? One limitation.
Yes, sir.
What is the limitation when it compares to a Selenium WebDriver? It is only works on Firefox browser now.
Right. Yes, yes, sir.
It's not compatible for Google Chrome or IE or other browsers. Only Firefox. Suppose Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver supports all popular browsers. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next, it provides graphical user interface for recording user actions using Firefox browser. And we can insert, edit, delete steps. Means we can edit test cases. We can record test cases and edit test cases. See, it provides graphical graphical user interface for recording user actions using Firefox browser. Observe, Neeladri, it has one advantage over Selenium WebDriver. What is that advantage? Why people are responding very slowly? What is the problem? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. We are able to hear.
Neelad, okay. Sunil,
Yes, sir.
say, observe this third point. Based on this third point, you can say, you can observe one advantage of Selenium IDE over Selenium WebDriver. What is the advantage?
Yes, sir. It's we have a recording facilities there, sir.
GUI, first
Yes, sir.
of all.
GUI.
It has
Yeah.
GUI, but Selenium WebDriver doesn't have GUI, na?
Yes, sir.
Only programming interface, no
Yes, sir.
graphical user interface. Okay.
Yeah.
Say, and we can record test cases, recording user actions using Firefox browser, and we can edit test steps. Say we can insert, next, modify, and delete also. Delete steps. Okay, and we can, just a minute. And we can insert, modify, just a minute. See, and we can insert, modify, delete test steps. Next.
Sir, is there any specific reason why IDE they haven't enhanced the tool? Because it has already a graphical user interface for recording.
See, graphical user interface.
Yeah. Also they can add the programming interface feature also.
They didn't concentrate on that. Say after some time they introduced, Selenium team introduced Selenium RC. Selenium RC in order to overcome the limitations of Selenium IDE. Next, in order to overcome the limitations of Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver launched. But they didn't concentrate on Selenium IDE. And one more thing.
Okay.
Implementing programming interface and enhancing programming interface is very easy for developers. But creating graphical user interface and enhancing graphical user interface is time taking process and difficult also. Maybe
Yes, sir.
that is the one of the reason why they didn't concentrate on Selenium IDE. Say for
Okay, sir.
creating new features, means built-in features, it takes more time, more efforts. If it is programming interface, they can take built-in libraries support for enhancing features. But here, for each and everything, they need to write the code. Getting the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it, sir. Thank you.
Say next, using Firebug or Firepath, you can inspect elements. Or page inspector feature is there. Say using Firebug, and Firepath, we can inspect elements. Or Firefox feature, page inspector is there for inspecting elements. Next, Selenium IDE should only be used as a prototyping tool. Selenium IDE should only be used as a prototyping tool. Means we can't develop complex test cases in Selenium IDE. Why, Gurnath? See, we can't develop. What is the reason we can't develop complex test cases?
Because there is no programming feature in it.
Good. Test cases in Selenium IDE. Because it doesn't support programming. Next, test step in Selenium IDE test case. Test step. See, test case, set of test steps. Test step in Selenium IDE test case. See, syntax. Command plus target, plus value. Command, what is command? Say using Selinus commands, or you can say Selenium IDE commands and element locators, we create Selenium IDE test cases. See, generally it records test steps, it records user actions on AUT. If you know the syntax, you can type test steps instead of recording. Okay. Command. What is command? Command forms the functionality of the step. Forms the functionality of the step. Next, target identifies the element on the web page. Identifies the element on the web page. Next, value. It is input data. Input data. Say this is applicable for only few commands, not for all commands. This is applicable for few commands. Okay, I'll show the example. Example, type, test step, type ID equal to email. Next, just a minute. Value, suppose ABCD123. Type is command, ID equal to email, target, element identification. ABCD123 is input data, value. See, Selenium ID test case default format is HTML. See, Selenium IDE test case default format is HTML. Next, Selenium IDE commands are also known as Sridevi. Selenium IDE commands.
Selenium commands.
Yes. Commands are also known as Selinus. It is not dictionary word. Selinus commands. See, this is a brief introduction about Selenium IDE. Next, second topic. First, we discussed the introduction to Selenium. Next, drawbacks of Selenium IDE. Drawbacks. Tell me, Preeti, drawbacks of Selenium IDE.
It just supports for the Firefox browser. It doesn't support other browsers.
Other browsers. Say, supports only Firefox browser. Firefox browser. Doesn't support other browsers. Observe, Sunil, it supports only Firefox browser, and one feature is there in Selenium IDE. We can export test cases in other formats, Java, Ruby, etc. formats. Feature is there, but that feature is not working properly, after exporting some settings required, enhancements required, so that nobody using that exporting feature. See, Selenium IDE supports for exporting test cases in other formats, Java, Ruby, etc. But default format is HTML. It supports other formats for exporting test cases. After
Yes,
exporting,
sir.
you need
Got
to
it.
execute those test cases in Selenium WebDriver.
Yes,
Getting
sir.
this point? After
Yes,
exporting,
sir.
we have to execute those test cases in Selenium WebDriver. But for that, some settings required and enhancements required, so that nobody using this feature, most of the people, not most of the 99.9% people creating and executing test cases in Selenium WebDriver only, not importing from Selenium IDE. Okay, but feature is there. Supports,
Got it, sir.
okay, cool. Supports only Firefox browser, doesn't support other browsers. For example, Selenium WebDriver supports all popular browsers, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, IE, Safari, Opera, etc. Next, continue Preeti.
Complex test, it is not useful for the complex test cases.
Okay, that is one drawback. Why? No programming.
No programming feature is there.
Yes, no programming support. So we can't use programming logic for enhancing test cases. So we can't use programming logic to enhance test cases. Say we cannot insert conditional and loop statements, and we cannot use variables and methods, etc. No programming support. Next, data driven testing is not possible. Data driven testing is not possible. Why? For data driven testing, a resource is required. Test data file is resource. Say if you want to import external files, programming feature support required. And one more thing, Selenium IDE doesn't have any built-in data sheet. If it is UFT, formerly QTP, UFT has built-in spreadsheet. That sheet is called a data table. Otherwise, you can import external files using VB script. Getting this point, Neladri? UFT has both built-in spreadsheet, data table, or you can import external files using VB script, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Sir.
If you want to use built-in spreadsheet, no programming logic required now. You can just type or you can just type input data and you can connect data table to our test case, isn't it? Say UFT has built-in spreadsheet for data driven testing, or you can import test data from external files using VB script. But Selenium IDE doesn't have any built-in spreadsheet, or you can't import external files. Why? No programming logic or no import commands. Next, here no centralized maintenance of elements. Anything else, Preeti?
No, sir.
See, these are the important drawbacks of Selenium IDE. Observe, Sunil, what about operating environments? Suppose Selenium WebDriver works on Windows, Unix, and Macintosh, etc. platforms. Now, what about Selenium IDE?
Only Windows platforms.
No, Selenium IDE also supports other. Can we install Mozilla Firefox on Unix or not?
Yes, sir, we can.
If you can install Mozilla Firefox, then you can download and install Selenium IDE. It is more Mozilla Firefox plugin. It is not an independent tool. Wherever you use Mozilla Firefox browser, there you can install Selenium IDE, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
See, operating platforms point of view, Selenium IDE will work on most all popular platforms as like Selenium WebDriver. Next, browser's point of view, it works only on Mozilla Firefox browser point of view. Okay. Next, programming, it doesn't support any programming. Next, Selenium IDE installation. Selenium IDE installation. Launch, observe the steps and I will show the practical. Launch Firefox browser. Launch Firefox browser. Next, download Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE from seleniumhq.org website. hq.org website. Next, install Selenium IDE plugin. Just a minute. Install Selenium IDE plugin. Next, restart Firefox browser. Restart Firefox browser. Observe, launch Mozilla Firefox browser. Selenium IDE download. See, download Selenium IDE. See, download page. Scroll down. Here, Selenium IDE. Add to Firefox. Install. Restart. See, after installation, Observe Sunil. Here you can get Selenium IDE icon now. Right
Yes,
side,
sir.
top right side of the browser.
Yes, sir.
You click this icon. See, Selenium IDE launches. Guide me, Gurnath Natarajan, how to download and install Selenium IDE. It is very simple. It's not an independent tool. It is just a Firefox browser plugin.
Yes, sir. We need to go to seleniumhq.org.
Okay, seleniumhq.org. Okay. In this download,
In the download, we go
uh,
click on download.
select download tab,
Yes, sir.
scroll down,
You have to come down.
Here Selenium IDE paragraph is there. Here
Yes, sir.
link
From add-ons on
version from add-ons mozilla.org.
.org. Yes,
Link is there. Click this link.
Click on it, sir. Yes, sir.
Next here, click this button, add to Firefox.
Yes, sir.
Next, click install.
Yes, sir.
Then restart the browser.
Yes, sir.
Then you can launch Firefox. You can launch Selenium IDE. See here, right side top, Selenium IDE icon is there. Click this one.
Yes, sir.
Hit this one. Just a minute. Put mute. Okay. Next, Selenium IDE features. Selenium IDE features. Selenium IDE features. Create a test case. Create a test case. Create test cases one by one. And test suite means you can group test cases. Create test cases. Test suite means we can group test cases. Next, edit test cases. Edit test cases. Here you can insert new steps. Insert new steps. Next, modify existing steps. Modify existing steps. Next, delete steps. Edit test cases, create test cases, edit test cases. Next, execute a test case, execute test cases, or you can execute test suite also. Next, debug test cases, step-by-step execution in order to locate the errors. Debug test cases. Next, debug test cases using breakpoints. Next, insert comments. These are the important features. Next, export test case is also there. Okay. Export test cases using any supported format. Observe. export test case as. Observe Sunil, export test case as NUnit WebDriver. Suppose if you are using .NET NUnit WebDriver, suppose Java JUnit WebDriver, Java TestNG, next Python, Ruby. So it is supporting C#, Java, Python, Ruby na.
Yes, sir.
But this feature is not working properly. So many complaints, but feature is there. Export test cases using any supported format. These are the important features. Tell me, Smita, what are the Selenium IDE features? Important features?
Edit test cases.
Edit first. Create first or edit first?
First, we need to create a test case
Ah,
or test suite,
ah,
and we can edit test cases like insert or modify or delete steps.
hmm,
We can execute a test case or test suite.
hmm.
We can debug test cases and insert comments.
Okay. Insert comments. Okay. Say I will introduce the Selenium IDE menus. Selenium IDE menus. Observe. Say first menu in Selenium IDE, file menu. File menu. See, file menu has options for test case and test suite. File menu has options for test case and test suite. What are the important commands available in this file menu? Using file menu, you can create new test case, create new test case. Next, open existing test case, open existing test case. Next, save test case. Next, export test case. Export test case in a language of our choice. Next, okay, all these options available for test suite also. Test case, test suite. Create new test case, open existing test case, save test case, export test case. Note all these options are available for test suite also. See file menu. See new test case, open existing test case, save test case, export test case. All these options for test suite. New test suite, open test suite, save test suite, export test suite. Next, edit menu, edit menu. See, it has editor commands, test step editor, test case editor. It has editor commands like copy, cut, paste, next delete, next undo, etc. For editing test steps. Next, insert new command, insert new command option. Next, insert new comment. These are the important commands available in this edit menu. Observe: edit, undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, delete, insert new command, insert new comment. Next, actions menu, actions menu. Actions menu. See, it has options for record and run test case. See, it has options for record and run test case, record and run test case. Next, run test suite, run test suite. No record test suite. We create test suite by grouping test cases. Run test suite, record and run test case, run test suite. Next, insert remove breakpoints, insert remove. Breakpoints. Next, pause, resume test execution. Resume test execution. See, these are the important commands. Observe in actions menu, record, play entire test suite, current test case, play current test case, toggle breakpoint, etc. Next, options menu. Options. Just a minute. See, options menu allows us to change settings, tool settings. We can set timeout value, etc. See, options menu allows us to change tool settings. We can set timeout value, etc. Synchronization timeout value. Next, last menu, help menu. It provides help documentation. It provides help documents for Selenium IDE. Help documentation for Selenium IDE. Just a minute. Observe fourth one, options. Observe Niladri, options menu. Here tool settings available na. Sunil, Smita,
Yes, sir.
tool settings available. Here you can change the settings. And one more thing, here default time is there. Default timeout value of recorded command. Default timeout value of recorded command in milliseconds. What is the tool default synchronization time?
Milliseconds, sir.
What is the tool default synchronization time? Here some value is there now. Observe
30
30
seconds.
seconds.
30 seconds, sir.
30 seconds. But
Yes, sir.
we can increase or decrease the timeout value. We can increase or decrease. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Default
Got it.
timeout value 30 seconds. Okay. Next, last menu, help menu. Here it will launch help documentation in web page, not in this window, in another. See, it redirects to Selenium IDE page. Okay. This is a brief introduction about Selenium menus. Can you tell me, Gurnath Natarajan, what is file menu? I see here 5 menus available in this Selenium IDE. What is file menu? Quick.
So file menu contains
What
file
are the
options.
important commands available in this file menu? Using
Here,
file menu, we
test
can
case.
create new test case.
Test case, open the existing test cases, save a test case there, export a test case in a language like Java or of our choice, sir. And also these similar options are also available in
Available for test suite also.
Yes, sir.
Test suite. Okay, what
And
are the
everything-
important commands available in the edit menu? Editor
Copy,
command,
sir.
cut, copy, paste, redo, undo, delete,
Yes,
etc.
sir.
Editor commands for editing test steps. Next, insert
sir.
new comment, insert new command.
Yes, sir.
Next,
And the action menu, we have record and run test cases, run test suite, insert and rename breakpoints,
okay,
pause,
pause
resume,
and resume execution.
test case.
Options,
Yes, sir.
using options menu, we can you can
Set the timeout, sir.
not only timeout, tool settings. We can
Tool settings,
configure.
yes, sir.
We can configure tool settings. Help
can change
menu
the tool
provides
settings,
help documentation.
Health documentation, sir.
Okay. Observe this area. Test pane. Here command target value is there. See. After help menu, test pane. Pane means an area. Pane means an area. Test pane, or you can say test case pane. Test case pane. See, our test script or test case is displayed in the test case pane. See, our test case or test script is displayed. Just a minute. Our test script is displayed in the test step pane. It has two tabs. One is table format. It displays commands and parameters. Next, another is source format. After creating the test case, I will show these two tabs. Source format displays test case in the native format. Native format means HTML format. Already we discussed. Default format of Selenium IDE test case, HTML. Next, create test cases in Selenium. Create test cases in Selenium IDE. See how to create Selenium IDE test cases, Sridevi. How to create Selenium IDE test cases? You know how to create Selenium WebDriver test cases.
Yes.
In Selenium WebDriver, no built-in recording feature for creating test cases. We need to write the code for every test step using element locators and WebDriver commands or methods. We create Selenium WebDriver test cases. Here, using Selinus commands, or you can say Selenium IDE commands and element locators, we can create test cases. But here recording feature is there, isn't it?
Record and playback.
Playback is execution. Just we are discussing creating test cases. Okay, here two possibilities. One is by recording, another is type test steps manually. Say, if you know the syntax, you can type test steps manually. Otherwise, use recording feature. See, one is by recording. Another is type test steps manually. Type test steps manually by recording. What is recording? During recording, it generates steps for every user action on AUT. It can generate verification points also. For that, user interaction is required. See, during recording, it generates steps, test steps for every user action on AUT, application under test. See, it records During recording, it generates test steps for every user action. Test steps. Command plus target. Command plus target. Input data, value optional. Value optional. Next, user can add, user means tester. User can add verification points. Next, type test steps manually using Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE, or you can say Selinus. Selinus commands and element locators. We can type test steps. Test steps. Okay, na Gurnath Natarajan, create test cases in Selenium IDE. Gurnath. Hello.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome. See, just a minute. Observe Sunil in G# admin interface, admin login functionality is there na? We already created test case, Selenium WebDriver test case. You create test case for that admin login functionality. Just a minute. First launch Selenium IDE. Here set the base URL. Otherwise, if you navigate, it will take automatically. Admin interface. This is the base URL.
Okay.
Just a minute. Say, click record. Red color button is there. Otherwise, go to action menu. Record item is there. You can select this record item. Recording started. Okay, na?
Yes,
just
sir.
a minute. Next. Enter username. Username.
Admin.
Admin. Next. Enter password.
Admin at 123.
Admin at 123. Click login button. Click login button.
Yes, sir.
Observe. Normal steps over na 3 steps.
Yes,
4 steps. See, first one, open this URL, admin login page. Second step,
typing username.
Name equal to username. Type is Selenium IDE command or Selinus command. Open also command. Type name equal to username. This is element locator. Name is element locator na?
Yes, sir.
Username is value. This is the syntax. Element locator equal to locator value. Next, admin is value, input data. Next, click and wait. This is command. ID equal to TDB1. This is locator value. Observe.
Yes, sir.
Next, These are normal steps. Next, verification point required. Verification point. Just a minute. Verification point. Place mouse pointer on web page and right click. Here observe, show all available commands. Here assert title, assert, verify text, verify element, commands available na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Verify, where is the title? Verify title. Like, suppose I want to insert verification point on this URL. Select the URL and right click. Just a minute. Just right click on the web page. Show all available commands. Here, first one, open build admin index.php page.
Okay, sir.
See, this is verification. Stop recording. Just a minute. Okay. Now, run the program, run the test script. See.
So 1 minute, sir. What is open type use?
Open is Selinus command.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
You can get commands in help documentation. Open is command. It opens specified URL.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Type
gotcha.
is
Okay.
command.
Okay, got it, sir. Got it. Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Play current test case. Just a minute. Observe bottom. Sunil, what is the test case status?
Passed, sir.
Test passed. See, step by step log.
Yes, sir.
At final, test case passed. Just a minute. Suppose if you know the syntax, you can type the test script. Suppose if you know the syntax, if you type the test script, new test case. Guide me Smita, I want to type same admin functionality, that verify admin functionality test case. Earlier we recorded that script. This time type. Here command is there now. What is the first command?
Open.
Open. See, type O here. This one. Context help. It is providing context help. Open. Next, target. What is the target? This page is the target. Target. Next, click on next line. Next, continue Niladri.
Yes, sir.
Type command. Type. You know the element locators. What is the name? Name equal to
Username.
Username. Next, value. Admin. Next, type. Target. Name equal to password. Value. Admin at 123. Next, command. Click.
Click and wait.
Click and wait. What is that one? Target. ID equal to TDB1, that button.
Yes.
TDB1. No value. Next, last one, verification
Open.
point. Open. Target is
the URL.
This admin index after login. Okay. Just a minute. Log off. This is the base state. And one more thing, don't close the browser, Niladri. Here no browser launching now. And one more thing, Selenium ID is dependent on browser now.
Yes, sir.
Dependent on browser. No, so we can't launch the browser. After launching Firefox only, you can launch Selenium IDE, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So don't close the browser. You can open means you can navigate to specified URL.
Yes.
But we can't launch the browser using Selenium IDE. Why?
Yeah, because Selenium ID is a add-in
Yes,
for
plugin or add-in of browser, Mozilla Firefox browser. Okay.
Yes.
Next, run. See here. Play current test case. Play current test case. Over. Observe Niladri. Test case passed na log. Next, if you want to execute the test case step by step, insert breakpoints. See edit, not edit, actions, toggle breakpoint. Observe Gurnath, play current test case.
Yes, sir, got it, sir.
Step by step execution. See here, step command is there. This arrow, down arrow symbol.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First step. Observe what happened. Aarti, observe. Only username entered now.
Yes, it did. Yes.
Next step, password
Yes.
entered. Next, click login button. Next, verify the URL. Over. See, test case passed. Next, you can insert. Just a minute. Remove this breakpoint. You can insert new step or new comment. You can insert new steps and new comments. Suppose I want to insert new step. See, edit, insert new command. Here you can type new step. Just next, comment. Suppose I want to write comment. See, insert new comment. See, comments not executable units. See, put mute. This is a test case. Observe Sridevi. You can write comments now.
Yes, sir.
You can insert new commands. Command means new step. Next, edit existing step. Suppose I want to edit this one. Select this one. Suppose password is India 123. You can edit. Suppose if you want to delete the step, suppose I want to delete this selected step. Right click, delete. Otherwise, select the step and go to edit menu. Where is the edit menu? Just a minute. Select the step, go to edit menu, delete. Suppose I want to delete last step. Select the step, edit menu, delete. Otherwise, suppose I want to delete last button, this step. Right click, delete. Right click, delete. Deleted. Next, Gurnath Natarajan, guide me. I want to launch Google homepage and verify Gmail link existence. I want to verify the existence of Gmail link in Google homepage. For that, suppose new test case.
It's a new test case, sir.
Then try to use recording feature.
Yes, sir.
Suppose target, go to first log off google.com. Target is google.com. Next, select record.
Yes, sir. It's recorded, sir.
Record. First, open google.com. Next,
Click
I want to verify Gmail existence.
Yes, sir. Gmail. Click on the Gmail link.
Show all available commands.
Yes, sir.
Verify title Google. Verify text link Gmail is there now?
Yes, sir. Verify text link Gmail.
You select this verification point.
Okay, sir.
Verify element present. Just stop the recording. Stop. Run. Play current test case. Oh, it is saying this one. Any breakpoint? No breakpoint. No. Just a minute. Already over. Only one page now. Just a minute. First clear the log. Next run the test case once again. Play current test case. Observe Gurnath. Verify element present.
Element present. Link Gmail, sir.
What is the test case status?
Pass, sir.
Passed. Suppose I want to verify this Yahoo link. Observe test case status.
Failed, sir.
Failed. Suppose images link is there. Images. See, you can set another page also. It will navigate to, just a minute. It will navigate to Google Home. Just a browser available enough. Play current test case. Launched Google and checked that Gmail link existence. Test case passed. Okay, na? Sunil, are you
Yes, sir. Got
following?
it, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
And one assignment to you. You try, say nearly 12 test cases, 12 different test cases we discussed in Selenium WebDriver. You accept data-driven testing example. You try to create Selenium IDE test cases. Getting this one?
Yes, sir. I got.
Aarti. Okay, okay, Sunil. Aarti.
Yes, sir.
Say last 3 days in the last 3 classes we created some Selenium WebDriver test cases na.
Yeah, yes, sir.
I've explained test steps and verification points also, manual test steps also. You try to uh, create Selenium IDE test cases for those manual test cases. Okay na?
Sure. Yeah, okay. Thank
You
you.
try to automate. And here one more assignment. Here verify, apart from verify, assert commands also there. Both are same in purpose, but some difference is there. You try to identify the difference between assert and verify commands. Observe here, assert title is there, assert title Google, verify title Google. Both are same in purpose, but one small difference is there. When to choose assert title, when to choose verify title. That is the second assignment. Just a minute. Put mute.
Sir,
Ah,
I have a question
ah.
before that. When we are doing a step-by-step execution
Mm.
for the test case, so for that, do we need to put breakpoint over there
Yes.
first?
Otherwise, that step command won't be enabled.
Oh, okay.
See,
Yeah.
step command disabled state na.
Yes, sir.
See, you just set breakpoint at first command. It will execute first command also. Just a minute. Suppose I am navigating to another page. Here in this test case, 2 steps are there. First step, open google.com. Next, verify Gmail link, images link presence in the Google homepage. Just step. What is the position of step? Disable na.
Disable. Yes.
Here observe. Here also step item. Step item
Yeah.
in this
Disable.
actions menu disabled. If you select just execute or play current test case, it will execute continuously. Instead of that, you set a breakpoint. Just a minute. Actions toggle breakpoint. But it will execute first step also. Then first play current test case. Now step command step command enable na.
Yes, sir.
Next, one by one. See, first Google launched. Next, link existence verified. See, test case passed. That is mandatory. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome. See, first assignment. Convert Selenium WebDriver test cases. Driver test cases to Selenium IDE. Test cases. Say convert Selenium WebDriver test cases to Selenium IDE. Last 3 classes we discussed, except data driven test case. Definitely you will face some problems except data driven test case. Next, difference. What is the difference between assert and verify commands? Both are same in purpose, but difference is there. When to choose assert command, when to choose verify command. For all verifications, assert and verify commands available. Assert title, verify title. Assert element present, verify element present, like that. You try to fulfill these 2 assignments. Okay, now, Smita, I'm going to close the session. Any queries, Smita?
I'm good, sir.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Welcome. Sunil, any queries?
No questions, sir. I'm good, thank you.
Okay, welcome. Gurnath Natarajan,
Thank you, sir. No problem, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
welcome. We'll meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.